So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enhance your audio quality using Adobe Audio Enhancer software, which is basically in a website which provides you the enhancement of audios for free. It's using the AI technology. You can do this process for free as Adobe officially provides this for free, and via this method you can amplify, or you can see the enhance your audio qualities just like you have been recorded that audio in a professional studio. So all you have to do is to just simply open any browser on your PC. You can do the same process on smartphone browser as well. Just open any browser on any device. For example, if I open Google Chrome browser on my device, and here you have to search for the website name Adobe Audio Enhancer. Just simply on the search bar type Adobe Audio Enhancer. When you search this, you can see at the first website which says enhance speech from Adobe. Just simply click on this website. It's the official free website. Now after opening this website, first you have to sign in to this website. You can sign in using the Gmail. Once you are signed in, you can see this interface will be visible right in front of you, where here you can see a sample of audio enhancement, and here you have to upload the audio file that you want to enhance, and it has some limitations like the max audio duration would be of 1 hour, and maximum file size should be of 500 MB, and you have a daily limit of 3 hours of audio enhancement. So just simply click on the button of upload and upload the file at which you want to enhance. For example, if I upload any file from there, I have uploaded a file. Now it may take some time. Once this process is done, your audio quality will be definitely increased, and you can see the results via here. And once it's done, you can download your enhanced audio quality for free. As you saw, it barely took a minute to enhance the audio. Once your results are done, just simply hit download and the enhanced audio file will be downloaded. So by this method you can easily enhance the audio quality of your audios. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.